How can we help you? That's the question the Jamaica Business Development Corporation has asked Jamaican entrepreneurs since 2001. 20 years later, JBDC has helped thousands to succeed. Thanks to all our partners, stakeholders, as well as our highly committed and competent employees who have helped us to keep the entrepreneurial spirit alive in Jamaicans. Business can be exciting and rewarding. The government of Jamaica will help you grow. Join the JBDC family as we celebrate 20 years from concept to market.
20 years ago, a family of people left their jobs to join on this journey because they believed they could understand the concept we were saying, providing help from concept to market and all between for our small business sector.
When I came to JBDC, it was like stepping into an entirely new realm in my career. I had no idea the extent of the responsibilities that we would have to the country and the companies that we were supporting.
20 years, it's been a journey. I remember quite vividly the day when I stepped into JBDC right here at 14 Camp Road. At the time, I never realized what an impact it would have had on my own personal and professional development. I came here as an industrial engineer, but this place allowed me to utilize not just the technical skills I had, but the creative skills that I had, which were never a part of my working life previously.
The culture and the mission, it was embedded in my own personal purpose, and it has been a love relationship ever since. The biggest pleasure for me is to look back over the 20 years at companies that would have come in with just an idea and to see them being such a force in the economy now as MSMEs. That's fulfilling, and I think everybody that works at JBDC goes home with a sense of purpose at the end of the day, and that's what JBDC is about.
I have seen where the organization has grown substantially and significantly, and I see where we have become a viable entity within the SME sphere and providing advice for businesses. I'm very grateful and thankful to be a part of this organization, and I wish you all the very best.
Every year has been an excitement simply because we have moved beyond the horizon. We have climbed many mountains successfully, and we continue to make, as a team, a mark on the development of our country.
I want to congratulate JBDC on the 20 years. We have achieved a whole lot. We have assisted so many persons in the MSE sector, and I want to say that over the years, we have moved from Jamaica Business Development Center to Jamaica Business Development Corporation. We had one location, now we have 7. May God continue to bless JBDC, and I thank you for recognizing me.
The journey has been sweet, the journey has been rough sometimes, the journey has been certainly rewarding. I remember when we just started and there were just a few of us here at JBDC, and the camaraderie that we had, and of course that sense of building this cathedral. And from that, we built the organization to where it's at now.
I have had the privilege to see the genesis of the JBDC, and I can say in my last 20 years of being here, I have had numerous encounters. I have formed friendships that are lasting 20 years and others, 14 and up and counting.
I appreciate the fact that over the years I've been able to grow professionally as well, starting from a computer technician to now I'm a network technician and a valid member of the IT team.
JBDC is now a household name in Jamaica. It's testimony to the kind of quality work that the team has put into the process. It's certainly not about me. I'm just part of that team, and there's nothing I could do without the support and guidance in many instances from the family members here at JBDC.
JBDC is a type of place that we were never afraid to venture into new areas. We're the pioneers in many areas of what's happening in the environment today. We were doing the green economy before the green economy was a thing. We were building the orange economy before it was a term. Many times we use the term MSMEs and people would ask, what's an MSME? And now this is where the focus is on. The country realizes that the micro entrepreneur, the small entrepreneur, is the backbone of this country.
So JBDC has definitely transformed the entire landscape of entrepreneurship in Jamaica. And I think that has been our major, our greatest contribution, I believe, to our economy as a professional organization. We have changed the face, we have changed the outlook, we have changed the respect level for entrepreneurship and small business in Jamaica. And we are now at the table. We are now at the table making decisions. We are now at the table when decisions are being made. We are now influencing projects and programs at a national level and, dare I say, international level as well. And that has been a professional kind of contribution of JBDC. So look at us now.
20 years seems like yesterday, but has been awesome. A fabulous journey. I would not have exchanged it for anything else anywhere else. And all the opportunities that came my way for overseas, I am so happy that I decided that that was not going to be it. It was going to be Jamaica, and of course, it would have to be through Jamaica Business Development Corporation. It's just fabulous.